Cheryl Traxler, and we are getting paid. I'm from an island in Alaska, and I love working from home. And this is the best home-based business I have ever seen. We have real proof, and this team is booming in 2020. And I want to show you in our Facebook group, we have an incredible team. So let's just load. This is my YouTube channel. You want to like my video and hit on the bell as well so we can not miss. See, is a payment coming to this person. Lots of people are joining our Facebook group because they want to be a part of it, because everybody is doing incredibly well. People are pouring in, and when we put you in this group, we put you in a start here place so that you can read exactly what is lined out for this program. It is incredible. There's another payment, and let's keep scrolling a little bit. Lots of people coming in, more payments coming in, and as you can see, it just keeps going and going and going, and people are getting paid. And actually, I joined the program launched the end of May, and by June 5, I had made $350. So it is incredible. And I just wanted to show you our real proof. And there's more of that coming. So be sure and subscribe to my channel so you can get more information and see. And let's get you in our Facebook group so you can see the activity that's going on and what is going to be a great team, a booming team for you to be on.